Carnival Cruise Lines has released a video today, and it is a recap of 2021, everything Carnival Cruise Lines has gone through this year. From the shutdown, to the restart of cruising, to the new paint schemes on their ships, to new ships coming out in the future. A little bit about all the health and safety protocols they've done. Basically just a complete recap of 2021. And all this information, of course, is provided by Christine Duffy, the president of Carnival Cruise Lines. So I thought I'd put this video up for everybody to kind of take a look at. Now, I mean, this is stuff we have talked about all year long. It just kind of recaps it, puts it all in a neat little package, and I thought you guys might be interested in it. So I'm going to put that video up right after this.
2021 will be known as one of the most challenging years in Carnival's almost 50-year history. Due to the pandemic, we started the year with our ships still paused and no official end in sight. But we also started the year with a promise to ourselves, our guests, our team, our stakeholders, and the world. And that promise was, we will be back. And we'll be back in a way that supports our highest responsibilities and top priority: compliance, environmental protection, and the health, safety, and well-being of our guests, the people in the communities we touch and serve, and our team members, shipboard and shoreside. Let's take a few moments to reflect and celebrate everything we have accomplished by working together and living into our culture and values to get us to where we are today. While we were not sailing at the start of 2021, we were working hard to prepare for the day we all knew would eventually come. Our operations teams focused on putting the appropriate health and safety protocols in place. We began to bring our shipboard team members back on board. The Carnival Corporation Health Operations Center team made sure vaccines were available for all crew members on board and those rejoining. I had the opportunity to begin visiting ships again, visiting the ships that were getting ready for restart and meeting with team members who, I must say, were thrilled to be back. We communicated regularly with our stakeholders to build confidence in our readiness plans to resume guest sailings again. In late spring, after months of negotiations and discussions, we finally received confirmation from the CDC that we could begin sailing again in July. Then, appropriately, on the 4th of July weekend, the world heard us say for the first time in 16 months, 13 days, and 8 hours, well, who's counting, that we are back. And we got back to fun quickly and made history, with Carnival Vista setting sail from Galveston, Carnival Horizon sailing from Miami. Carnival Miracle departed from Seattle for her Alaska season. And we all rejoiced when finally our new flagship Mardi Gras set sail on her inaugural voyage from Port Canaveral. But we didn't stop there. It was a busy, busy year for our technical and refurbishment teams, with a total of 10, count them 10, dry docks in a 6-month period. Makeover time, fun ship style. We introduced our beautiful Carnival Cruise Line new hull livery, a la Mardi Gras, and 10 ships in the fleet now sport the stunning red, white, and blue hull design, with more to come. And of course, we'd been waiting for her for quite some time, but we all finally got to meet our newest baby, Mardi Gras, and what a welcome she received. We celebrated her arrival in the U.S. on the 4th of June to a jetty lined with hundreds and hundreds of adoring fans, to her preview event where we showcased the first and only roller coaster at sea on Good Morning America, to her inaugural cruise visiting San Juan, Amber Cove, and Nassau. We found her a godmother in Miss Universe Dominican Republic and gave her a party fit for a queen. And of course, everyone got to experience all her amazing new offerings, flavors, entertainment, and of course, especially Bolt, the very first roller coaster at sea. We also introduced another fresh face as Carnival Victory finally became Carnival Radiance. After one of the longest dry docks in Carnival history, she is now sailing from her new home port of Long Beach, and she has a godmother that's basically already part of the Carnival family. Our Chief Fun Officer, very own mom, Lucille O'Neill. Now, it's very important to mention that Carnival Corporation's commitment to sustainability and to our environment hasn't paused for a moment. As a matter of fact, we've continued to make strides with innovations in showcasing the first LNG ship to operate in the Americas, managing food waste, limiting single-use plastics, among many other things to reduce our environmental footprint. We've also continued to keep in touch with our loyal guests and travel advisors, knowing it was more important than ever to keep Carnival Cruise Line top of mind during the extended pause in our operation. Our ever-present brand ambassador, John Heald, and our cruise directors kept our guests engaged, delivering updates to guests and broadcasting live from our ships during restart and from their homes to help keep the fun alive. And not to toot our own horn, but the industry took notice of all the hard work, innovation, and fresh thinking our teams delivered. We even geeked out with an award from Popular Science magazine. Well-deserved all. We also made sure to continue our support of partners, including St. Jude Children's Research Hospital and in support of our military, Operation Homefront. Can you believe it? That was 2021, and so much was accomplished, and yet there is still so much to look forward to in 2022. We just named Miss Universe Bahamas, Chantel O'Brien, our second Spirit of Carnival winner, and she and some of her fellow Miss Universe title holders will be sailing with us again. By March, the entire U.S. fleet will be back in service, and we are staying optimistic that we'll have our 2 ships sailing from Australia following shortly. Of course, we're celebrating a major milestone in March, Carnival Cruise Line's 50th birthday, with a year-long party. Carnival Celebration will be on the way, coming to Miami by the end of the year, sailing from our spectacular new Terminal F at Port Miami. Costa Magica will be joining our fleet, and plans are underway to introduce her to our guests. Our teams will be finalizing details and plans for yet our 3rd XL ship, Carnival Jubilee, setting sail from Galveston in 2023. And as we prepare for wave season, we're launching a new marketing campaign that's going to give us all a jolt of fun in a single word. Can you spell thunderstruck? Stay tuned for more. This future is bright, and we are moving in the right direction because we are Carnival. We are back better than ever, thanks to all of you. Wishing a safe, healthy, happy, and prosperous new year to all. Thanks so much.
And we were right there for all of it. I mean, we had canceled cruises on the Carnival Vista. We were there when the Carnival Vista arrived back in Galveston along with the Carnival Breeze. Their very first time arriving back, we were there. We had that video for you guys. We were there when the Carnival Vista departed on that very first sailing, July 4th. We were there filming that for you guys. Then we were on board the Carnival Breeze in September for a sailing, showing everybody what the return to cruising looked like. So I kind of feel like we have been a part of the restart of Carnival and through some of their ups and downs that we've gone over here during the last year. And of course, you know, we will be there for the 50th birthday celebration that they are going to be having here in 2022. We're definitely going to be a part of that as well. on the Carnival Vista sailing in March. But just like I said, I just thought I'd share that video with you guys today. Hope you enjoy it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.